Hello friends, welcome to Unbox Finance, your ultimate guide to unlocking the world of finance. Here, we believe that understanding finance isn't just a luxury, it's essential for building a stable and wealthy life. If you're someone who wants to make smart financial decisions, or just get started on building wealth, you're in the right place. In this video, we will understand the powerful financial moves to boost wealth in your 20s. Okay, without any further delay, let's jump in. Your first move should be an automate goal-based savings. First, let us talk about savings, which is great and something most people do. But putting all your money in one account can be a big mistake. If an unexpected expense arises, you might end up spending money you have saved for something else. Instead, try setting up separate savings for specific goals, like a travel fund, a car fund, or a marriage fund. When each rupee has a purpose, it's much easier to stay on track with your goals. Remember to align your investments with your goals. For long-term goals, consider growth assets like direct stocks, mutual funds, or gold, to build your wealth over time. For short and medium-term goals, go for safer options like fixed deposits, recurring deposits, or debt securities. These can help protect your funds while still earning a steady return. Next up, we'll discuss a fund you've probably never thought about. Establish an income cushion account. You've heard of an emergency fund? Well, let's level up with an income cushion account. This is for when salaries get delayed or you're switching jobs. Set aside 3 to 6 months of income here. It's peace of mind in a world where things don't always go according to plan. Think of it like a cushion, soft enough to land on when life hits hard. Now that we're talking about security, let's look at hidden money in your company benefits. Leverage company benefit. Many employees miss out on things like retirement benefits, stock options, life insurance, and health insurance. These aren't just extras, they are free money. So, before you overlook your benefits package, make sure you're not missing out on easy ways to build wealth. Calculate and regularly update your financial independence number. Your financial independence number is the amount of money you will need to live comfortably without relying on regular employment income. Knowing your financial number helps plan better for future. And don't worry, I have attached the link in the description. Once you click on the link, you will land up to Early Retirement Calculator, where you need to add current annual income, either savings or expenses, and, if available, portfolio value. Scroll down below, and you will find there that, after when you can retire comfortable, with a savings rate and so on. No PhD in finance needed here, folks. Speaking of growth, let's talk about the best investment you'll ever make. Prioritize skill investment. Saving money and investing is good, but don't forget to build your skills, because your greatest asset is you. Every course or certification you add to your skill set boosts your career and income potential. And guess what? Tons of free courses are out there. Among that one is following my YouTube channel Unbox Finance, and hit the bell icon. I'll keep you updated on the best ones, so you don't miss the updates. Now, onto a fund you won't hear about often. Create an opportunity fund. Have you ever thought, I wish I'd invested back then? Let's make sure you don't say that in the future. Think of your money like little heroes, ready to jump into great opportunities, like new IPOs or strong stocks. Just do a little research and be ready to invest smart when the right time comes. Establish a personalized debt hierarchy plan. Debt can feel like a mountain, but it's all about knowing which to pay off first. Focus on the big expensive ones like credit card. Treat it like it's on fire, pay that off fast. But loans with lower rates like student loans or mortgages, Those are the calm ones. You can take your time, and they might even help with taxes. And there you have it. Each of these strategies builds a strong foundation for financial freedom, stability, and eventually wealth. The best time to start is today. The earlier you start, the faster you'll reach your goals. If this helped, hit subscribe to my YouTube channel Unbox Finance, and share it with anyone who needs a push toward smarter finance choices.